Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's my first time uploading a video, except I'm often posting in shorts, and I was shadow banned yesterday, and I'm thinking I thought about making a video of myself talking. I'm gonna sound some random shit stuff, and yeah, pretty much. So I'm thinking about, like, how can I contribute to my parents since I was 16 years old now. And um I'm thinking about, like, doing this hustle, this side hustle, this YouTube automation. And I'm I'm thinking about, like, why not. So I'm just introducing myself today. And my name is Prince, and I'm not gonna say my first name, but just wanna I'm not gonna say my full name. I just wanna say my first name, so people know my first name. And yeah, my first name is Prince, and I'm here to introduce myself. So I just turned 16 in May 16th 2020. Wow, May 16th. And also I'm pretty nervous about posting this in the public, since, like, just doing this for something like YouTube algorithm, like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I just wanna give advice to people there who suffers from depression. Just don't give up. Don't try to something like that. And just don't give up. And, like like fight it. Stop being anxious all the time, because you can't do anything with it. You just can't sit around being worried all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And goodbye.